Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with concrete technology. So the first question, low temperature during concrete laying. Option A increases strength, option B decreases strength, option C has no effect on strength, option D depends upon other factors. So the correct answer is option A increases strength. So due to low temperature, so the expansion and contraction is less, and as well as so the water evaporation also less, then the heat of hydration will be reduced without curing, so the strength will be increased. So second question, lightweight concrete is used. Option A heat resistance, option B air conditioning of building, option C non-load bearing walls, option D reducing thickness. So the correct answer is option B air conditioning building. Next question, lightweight concrete is prepared by option A using lightweight aggregate, option B formation of air voids in cement by omitting sand, option C formation of air voids in cement paste by substance causing foam, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option C formation of air voids in cement paste by using substance causing foam. So the foaming helps to increase the volume, and it will create some air voids inside the concrete. So the weight of concrete will be less. Okay. So next question, a concrete in which dry coarse aggregate are first packed to have least voids, and then cement sand mortar is injected under the pressure to fill all the voids, resulting a very dense concrete is called option A pre-packed concrete, option B vacuum concrete, option C no fines concrete, option D aerated concrete. So the correct answer is option D aerated concrete. Next question, addition of calcium chloride in concrete result in option A increased strength, option B reduction in curing period, option C retardation of loss of moisture, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option A increased strength. Next question, addition of 1 to 2% of sodium hydroxide in concrete, option A reduces setting time, option B reduces voids, option C giving smooth surface finish, option D give wear resistance to the concrete. So the correct answer is option D gives wear resistance to the surface. Next question, for protection from frost, concrete option A be dense, option B be free from cracks, option C have adhesion between mortar and aggregate, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option A become dense. Next question, a setting of cement or concrete which occurs suddenly while being mixed and placed and prevents further working of the materials is called option A quick set, option B initial setting, option C flash set, option D knocking. So the correct answer is option D knocking. Next question, adding a thin layer of cement mortar to the surface of concrete is called option A rendering, option B admixing, option C rodding, option D punning. So the correct answer is option C rodding. Next question, the breaking up the remixing of concrete that has layer to set is called option A resetting, option B double setting, option C knocking, option D time setting. So the correct answer is option A resetting. Next question, a concrete mix is that causes difficulty in the obtaining of the smooth and good contact with the forms, which may be due to excess of middle sized particles or deficiency of fine material is called option A uneven mix, option B harsh mix, option C heterogeneous mix, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C heterogeneous mix. Next question, a watery scum that is formed on the top of the concrete due to excessive water or excessive use of dowel or float is called option A latence, option B flashing, option C punning, option D water phasing. So the correct answer is option B flashing. Next question, inert material of cement concrete mix, option A water, option B cement, option C aggregate, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A water. Next question, an aggregate is called Sylophian aggregate if the size of is more than option A 4.75 mm, option B 30 mm, option C 60 mm, option D 75 mm. So the correct answer is option C, 60 mm. Next question, an aggregate is called flaky if its least dimension is less than option A 2 by 3 the mean dimension, option B 3 by 4 mean dimension, option C 3 by 5th of the mean dimension, option D 5 by 8 of the mean dimension. So the correct answer is option D 5 by 8 of the mean dimension. Next question, water cement ratio is generally expressed in volume of water required per option A 10 kg, option B 20 kg, option C 30 kg, option D 50 kg. So the correct answer is option C 30 kg. Next question, ISI has the specified full strength of concrete after option A 7 days, option B 15 days, option C 21 days, option D 28 days. So the correct answer is option D 28 days. So that's why we are testing the concrete after 28 days. So that is we are making M20 grade concrete. So that 20 is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete after 28 days of curing. Okay. So next question, high temperature option A increases the strength of concrete, option B decreases the strength of concrete, option C no effect of the concrete, option D low effect on the strength of the concrete. So the correct answer is option D, low effect on the strength of the concrete. Next question, method of voids for determination of quality of the cement paste assumes option A, void is the coarse aggregate or filled by the fine aggregates, option B, voids in fine aggregate are filled by the cement paste, option C, volume of the fine aggregate is equal to the total volume in coarse aggregate plus 10% extra, option D, volume of the cement paste required is equal to total volume of voids in the fine aggregate plus 15% extra. So the correct answer is option B, voids in the fine aggregate are filled by the cement paste. Next question, expansion joints are provided if the length of the concrete exceeds option A 20 meter, option B 45 meter, option C 60 meter, option D 75 meter. So the correct answer is option D 75 meter. Next question, behavior of concrete under instantaneous load is option A elastic, option B plastic, option C brittle, option D viscoelastic. So the correct answer is option B plastic. Next question, average value of creep coefficient for concrete option A 5.0, option B 4.0, option C 3.0, option D 2.0. So the correct answer is option A 5.0. Next question, cube strength Fc varies with the modulus of elasticity as option A Fc, option B Fc square, option C Fc whole power 1 by 2 that is root of Fc, option D Fc power 3 by 2. So the correct answer is option C Fc power 1 by 2 that is root of Fc. Next question, if variation in the strength of the cube of concrete during testing is plus 5% of average, then the respective value is taken option A average value, option B lowest value, option C test is repeated, option D average after highest and lowest discarded. So correct answer is option C test is repeated. Question, resonant frequency method is based on the assumption that option A strength of concrete increased with age, option B richer mix give more stronger strength, option C resonant frequency is directly proportional to the square of the strength of the concrete, option D modulus of elasticity of concrete goes on decreasing as the concrete quality deteriorates due to weathering. So the correct answer is option C, resonant frequency is directly proportional to the square of the strength of the concrete. In pulse technique for testing concrete is assumed that option A frequency of pulse is proportional to the compressive strength of concrete, option B time taken by pulse is proportional to the modulus of elasticity, option C amplitude of pulse is proportional to the compressive strength, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option D none of the above. Next question, workability may be defined as the amount of applied work required to compact the concrete to the maximum density. This principle is used option A slump test, option B compaction factor test, option C VB consistometer, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, compaction factor test. Again we will see next video. Thank you.